Hello mga Koto, this is Engineer Arky from Home Automated PH and nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay City. And completed na po yung ating smart gate installation dito sa ating Billmen project. So i-demo ko po sa inyo ang kanyang functionality. But before that, konting background lang po. So ito pong gate natin is galing sa isang traditional bifold and convert natin into a swing type gate and later on is in-automate po natin siya. No? And yung ating flashing lamp is located po dun sa upper right corner. Ayan. So, magsisync po yan. Mapapansin nyo po mamaya kapag ongoing yung operation is nagpa-flash po yan. No? Meaning is gumagana yung ating gate. Okay? And it serves also as an indicator. Okay? So, i-demo ko po sa inyo with a click of a button. Ayan. So, mag-full open po yung ating gate. Okay, so yan po yung kanyang full open and papansin nyo po is napakatahimik po niya since well calibrated yung ating gate, no? And with another click of a button, magpo-full close naman po siya. Okay, so yan po yung kanyang full close status. And then, ang kaganda mo kapag meron tayong smart gate is di na natin kailang bumaba ng sasakyan, no, para i-open manually yung ating gate. Lalo na kapag malakas po yung ulan. So, very convenient po na pin lang natin ating remote and automatically na siya mag-open. Okay? So, yan. If interested po to avail our smart gate product, message lang po kayo sa aming Facebook page or tawagan nyo kami dun sa number na naka-flash sa screen. Again, this is Engineer RK from Home Automated PH. Empower your home.